Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. I'm Alex Carlson, and in this video, we will discuss our game plan for tomorrow and for the rest of the week. But before we dive in, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1+ area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you'll get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of our ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from Insider Financial. We don't run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. Well, guys, the markets loved what the Fed and Jay Powell had to say today. The Fed held its key policy rate steady as widely anticipated. More significantly, it now sees 75 basis points of rate cuts in 2024. Furthermore, Powell at the post-decision press conference said that talk about cutting rates was clearly a topic of discussion for policymakers. The Fed's updated summary of economic projections showed that the median forecast for the Fed funds rate in 2024 fell to 4.6% from 5.1% previously. Moreover, the forecast for core personal consumption expenditure, the Fed's preferred gauge for inflation, fell to 2.4% from 2.6% and is seen returning to the 2% target in 2026. This is the green light the bulls were looking for, and we saw small caps and short squeezes run across the board. From last night's watch list, CCCC was the big runner today, up 135%. Stifel Nichols upgraded to a buy and a $12 price target. RSLS had news last night that I highlighted. It opened at 40 cents and ran all the way to 59 cents before closing at 38 cents. Gave you plenty of opportunities to make money today. Congrats to those that have banked. Carvana, I highlighted this one that it was on the verge of a breakout. It was consolidating right here. $42 was the breakout level. It broke through there as the shorts got squeezed. 35% of the float is short. CDT continues higher. This has been my biggest call over the past month, up 482%, just a 380,000 share float. Again, congrats to all that have banked. ALT, I said it had a nice bounce yesterday. We got continuation today. Stock up almost 10%. This is another one that's been a big winner for us here at Insider Financial over the last month, up 167%. The 12% of the float is now short. Again, guys, when I give you these plays and these watch lists, play green, not red. Set up your watch list, look at what's green, and then identify the trade setups. We're looking for momentum. If there's no momentum, you're going to end up a bag holder, and we don't want that. So small caps, short squeezes, penny stocks, it's all about momentum. It's not about dip buying. Small caps that I'm watching for tomorrow and the rest of the week include STTK, big runner today, up 130%. You may be asking, why am I putting this one on my watch list? Well, look, if you look at CCCC, I didn't catch this first day move, but when I saw the news. We had news before pre-market and after the bell. But it played out today because the news was still in play. And then you got the upgrade today from Stifel Nichols. But today I caught a good chunk of today's move. I didn't catch all of it, from $3.16 to $6.03. But, there was 90% in potential gains all day long in CCC. So I'm going to be watching STTK tomorrow for, a trade setup. And the news today was they reported positive top-line data from a phase 1 study of its drug candidate SL-172154 in the treatment of certain types of myeloid plastic syndromes, or MDS, and acute myeloid leukemia, or AML. The biotech company is testing SL172154 in combination with azacitidine in frontline higher-risk MDS and TP53 mutant AML patients. The company said that the study observed a 79% objective response rate in frontline higher-risk MDS patients, primarily with TP53 mutations, with an initial complete response, marrow complete response rate of 64%. Also observed was a 27% initial complete response complete response with incomplete hematologic recovery in frontline TP53M AML patients. The company said it plans to provide another update in mid-2024. So again, this was indeed positive news, but like I said, well, for me, I don't like chasing on the first day. I want ranges to be established. I really try to stick to the game plan that I developed the night before. And then in the pre-market, focus on stocks that I know, that I'm familiar with, that have news. For me, I trade better and make more money in a stock that I am familiar with than one that I am not. And that's just me, to each his own. Again, none of this is financial advice. We're just trying to provide education and help you guys as much as possible. UPST, big day, up 20%. Again, this is sign that risk on sentiment is here. Run up almost 20%, 21% the float is shorts. The shorts are getting squeezed. PATH, PATH. This one here is on the verge of a breakout. 9% of the float is short. And then if you look at my watch list, here is just one screen that I run on short squeezes, the high float short interest, and I have them rated by performance, so I can see which ones are running. EOSE up 32%, PXMD up 24% today, UPST up 20%, EOSE 24.8% of the float is short. Closed at $1.48. It has a $10 price target and a buy from Guggenheim back in September. Moving on, SPRC shares were up today almost 40% after it said that its joint venture Mitocare X Bio met its second milestone in late November, which triggered an additional investment by the company. On November 27th, Spac said in SEC filing that Mitocare X Bio achieved positive results with the development of its laboratory capabilities by establishing a variety of small molecule screening platforms. Under the JV agreement, the development triggered an additional investment of $600,000 into Mitocare X Bio to be made within 30 days of the second milestone being achieved. Following the investment, Spac will hold 50.1% of the issued and outstanding share capital. What I like about SPRC, so this is a trendline breakout here, first green day after being in the red. And here we're now above. We bounced off the 50-day moving average. And the other thing I like is that this one has just a 2.45 million share float, just a $16 million market cap. So it's easy to get some moves here in SPRC if more eyes start following it. SOFI breaking out here. I've been highlighting this one for the past couple of weeks now. It's just been consolidating right here, had trend line resistance, formed a wedge, and we got the breakout we were looking for here today. 16% of the float is short. BIG breaking out here again, also over closed up over 10% today. 29% of the float is short. Again, guys, don't be trying to pick a bottom. You want to go with the momentum. Look at Fisker, FSR, and I've talked about this one. I mean, I have it on my watch list. I'm waiting for higher prices, but don't be trying to pick a bottom. The momentum is just not there. With short squeezes, it's the higher prices that create the squeeze as the shorts panic. They just are not panicking here with Fisker at $1.48. It's just not happening. So, gets above $2, that's when you're going to start seeing them panic, and then you get that squeeze and that quick, move. And that's what I'm waiting for, and that's what I'm looking for if it happens. I am not saying it is or will, but I'll just wait and see if it develops. Again, guys, this is my actual watch list. I have no positions right now in any of these names at the time of video posting. Tomorrow, I may or may not trade in any of these names. I will, of course, be scanning pre-market, and if I see anything new to add, I will let subscribers know, so make sure you sign up. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I have repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, these are our best ideas. We cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. And again, some of these stocks are making big moves pre-market. If you want to trade from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m., click our referral link in the description for Webull. Open an account, deposit any amount, and get 6 free fractional shares. Remember, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining me today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. This is Alex Carlson signing off. Bye-bye.